Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy the SYLVOX outdoor TV with rolling stand, the 75-inch 2000 nit full-sun smart TV made for outdoor living and commercial environments, then check the link in the description. After spending time with it, this display feels like a completely different category compared to indoor TVs that are forced outside. It's built for sunlight, built for weather, and built for mobility. The first thing that stands out is how visible the picture is in direct sunlight. At 2000 nits, the image cuts through glare the way bright smartphone screens do outdoors. Watching sports or movies in midday brightness feels natural instead of washed out. Colors stay bold, shadows stay defined, and overall clarity doesn't collapse, no matter how intense the sun hits the screen. This kind of brightness is what truly separates outdoor-rated displays from traditional indoor models. The construction tells the same story. IP55 weatherproofing means it handles rain, dust, humidity, wind, and unexpected splashes without stress. The frame feels like it belongs in an outdoor setting. Solid metal, sealed ports, reinforced surfaces. This isn't something fragile that you worry about when clouds roll in. It's built to stay outside all season long without babying it. The durability gives confidence that it can exist outdoors full-time, which is exactly what you need from outdoor tech. One of the biggest advantages is the rolling stand. Having a full 75-inch TV that you can move around effortlessly changes how you design your space. Movie night in one corner of the yard? Roll it there. Want to angle it toward your outdoor dining area? Adjust it instantly, using it in a cafe, rooftop lounge, or commercial venue. Shift it based on where customers gather. The mobility gives it a versatility that wall-mounted outdoor TVs just can't offer. Once powered on, the smart interface is fast and responsive. Apps load quickly, 4K streaming stays smooth, and wireless casting connects reliably. Even with long hours of use, the brightness remains stable thanks to solid temperature management. The built-in cooling system doesn't get loud, so you can watch without distraction. Whether the screen is running during a hot afternoon or a cooler evening, the performance stays consistent. The speakers deliver clear audio that carries well outdoors. While a dedicated sound system can push it further, the built-in audio is surprisingly strong for open environments. Dialogue, music, and effects remain noticeable even in spaces where sound usually gets lost. Watching content outdoors creates a different vibe. A backyard becomes an event space. A patio becomes a viewing area. A commercial spot becomes more interactive. This display makes outdoor entertainment feel premium instead of compromised. And because it's engineered for harsh lighting and weather, it functions exactly the same at noon as it does at sunset. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor setup with a massive 4K screen that's bright enough for full sun, tough enough for unpredictable weather, and flexible enough to move anywhere you need it, this is one of the best options available. It doesn't just survive outside, it thrives there. Hi guys, it's me. And if you want to buy the SYLVOX outdoor TV with rolling stand, the 75-inch 2000 nit IP55 waterproof 4K smart TV designed for outdoor homes or commercial areas, then visit the link provided in the description.